their way, making their way back up and over on another volley of fuel. The Red Alliance is now ahead, but Blue Alliance is turned to answer. HighTide is going up high for the Blue Alliance, even under heavy defense. So many robots over on the Blue Alliance side of the field, and quickly they regain the lead, 345 to 272. 2338 getting stock on some fuel. They were to lose and now make their way back over to the other side of the field. 3478 now continuing to score and do the tested cleanup effort here on 3478, continuing to score. Take a look at 5017 trying to hold 4414 from getting out of the Red Alliance zone. And now Red Alliance nearly reclaiming the lead. 5 seconds left and they'll reclaim the lead. It's going back over to Red with over 400. It's going to go back down to Blue. Blue Alliance left unimpeded and they reclaim the lead nearly in 5 seconds. 470, 480. It continues to go up. 490. We're nearly to the end game. 10 more seconds for the Blue Alliance to answer back. 4414 firing up from the mid zone. Nearly all going into the hub. And now they're extending that lead by over 100 points. Red Alliance has a lot of work to do. But 3478 now getting into position. 2338 right behind them. And oh no, 3478 it just jammed. Hopefully they can get unjammed. Blue Alliance now running away with it. 600, 630, 640, 650, 470 for the Red Alliance. Red Alliance just trying to hit that 500 mark. Can they do it with that last?
With the win, Blue Alliance 685 to 505. Blue Alliance walking away with 5 ranking points. That last volley did enable the Red Alliance to get supercharged as well, so they're walking away with 2 ranking points.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on future fun videos. FRCT's Managed Store program is an easy and profitable way to fundraise for your team or off-season event. FRCTs will handle everything from production, packaging, bulk or drop shipping, payment collection, and accounting. Teams can set their own prices and FRCTs will take care of the rest. Fill out a quote request or get more information when you schedule a callback at frcts.com.